To hold a drumstick traditional grip, pretend like you're giving a handshake, place a stick underneath the thumb and then gently squeeze it. Now your index and middle finger are going to go against the side of the drumstick and your ring and pinky are going to go underneath to support the drumstick. And this is how you hold the stick traditional grip. With my right hand, handshake, underneath the thumb, gently squeeze it, fingers to the side and underneath it. And that's how you hold it. Just with any other grip, you want to hold the drumstick at the fulcrum point. That is where the stick bounces the most, like this. To do that, go back to the handshake, lay your stick in there and then move the stick up and let go. You want to find that sweet spot where the stick is bounced like that, then you just hold it. Now we know where to hold the drumstick. Let's get comfortable with letting the stick bounce up and down. You're gonna hold it in the handshake position with your thumb, gently squeeze the drumstick, and you're gonna make a full motion. It will look like this. Now you notice the stick moves a lot. That's because we're not really supporting the stick and we just want to have the stick make that motion. Now, if we speed it up, you notice it disappears. With my right hand, this is what you want to get comfortable with. So do this every single time to get comfortable with the motion, having the stick bounce up and down. Unlike match grip, where you make this motion, when it comes to the traditional grip, you make this motion. To get comfortable, you hold the stick traditional grip and you gently squeeze it so you don't let the stick bounce like we did earlier, and you are the one who's going to make the movement. Now you're gonna make this wrist arm turning movement when you're playing traditional grip, so that's why you have to practice this to get comfortable with making that motion. With my right hand, something I like to do when it comes to playing accent is I move my fingers and let go of the stick. So I throw the stick up and I let go. That way the stick can move freely. Then it goes down and after it comes back up I will catch it. With my right hand, it will look like this. You notice I'm not comfortable with doing this because I don't play right-handed traditional grip, but this is how it's going to look. So you want to practice this. When you throw the stick up, let go, down and catch the stick. I recommend to keep practicing the things that I just showed you to get really comfortable with those. Then the next thing is play both hands together, because you're holding the stick different, you're making different motions and you want to get comfortable with that. So very simple, playing singles. And get comfortable with that. When it comes to playing doubles, so 2 strokes with one hand, is this for me personal. What I do, I either use my thumb or my index finger. So with my thumb, so very simple, I let go of the stick That's one, and then I hit it with my thumb to get the second. Same with my index finger, and let go of the stick is one, then I hit it, my index finger, that is two. Now to practice this, something again I do is dribble the stick with just my thumb. Or index finger, like that. Something totally up to you, you can practice. If I do it with my right hand, you notice I haven't done this at all, so I'm really trying to get comfortable with that. So it's going to take some time to practice that. Another thing to really get the motion going from playing traditional grip and having accent and ghost notes and doubles is of course the paradiddle. Now the paradiddle, right, left, right, left, left, first note accent. Now of course this has everything in it. It has throwing the stick up, letting the stick fall down, catching it and playing those doubles. So I would say the paradiddle, once you get everything down, paradiddle is perfect to really get all the movements you're making, all the techniques, whatever, combine them all. So I hope this is going to help you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Also, if you like what I'm doing here, please support my channel by either donating or buying my drum merch. Both of the links are in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.